Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are words used to point out the person, places or things. This, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. They are used to point out or show the objects to which they refer. These pronouns replace a noun and is not immediately followed by the noun it points to. Let's take a sentence to check if the sentence is demonstrative pronoun. This is my sister's book. In this sentence, the word this stands alone as the subject of the sentence and replaces the specific noun. It is pointing to the book. It is pointing to the book. Now let's take one more sentence. This is my pen. This is my pen. You all can see in my hand also there is a pen that is singular in number, and the speaker is telling about this pen. This is my pen. This is used for singular number, that is 1 in number, and indicates something nearby. You all can see that this pen is near to your screen. So, near means when something is close to you. Now the next sentence, that is my pen. That is also used for singular number. You all can see here, that is my pen. That is my pen. That is also used for singular number but indicates something that is far from the speaker. As I am keeping here the pen and I am telling you that is my pen. So it is far from the speaker. Now we are going to talk about these and those demonstrative pronoun. These are my pens. Here I am going to show you. These are my pens. Now you all can see that 2 pens are there. They are plural in number and it shows near distance. These are my pens. Now the next one is those are my pens. Those are my pens. You all can see. Those are my pens. They are also plural in number. You all can see 2 pens are there. Plural in number and shows far distance. Let's take one more example. Are these your keys? These are keys and the speaker is asking, are these your keys? These is a plural demonstrative pronoun and used for items that are near or close to the speaker and also used for things present or happening now. If I say, are those your keys? So, those is a plural demonstrative pronoun used for items that are far from the speaker. It is the plural form of that. So, now we are going to do one exercise related to demonstrative pronoun. So, let's start. Underline the demonstrative pronouns and state whether they are singular or plural. So let's start. These are my sketch pens. You all can see here I am keeping 2 sketch pens. These are my sketch pens. How many sketch pens are there? They are more than 1 in number. So these are plural in number. And what is demonstrative pronoun in the sentence? These. That is plural in number. Plural. This is my car. You all can see this is my car. So, what is demonstrative pronoun in the sentence? This. And this car is singular in number. It is 1. Singular. Those are my colors. Those are my colors. So, those is a demonstrative pronoun and those are my colors. You all can see. Those are my colors. and that is more than 1 in number. Those are my colors. So here we are going to write plural. Now the last one is that is my water bottle. That is my water bottle, and it is 1 in number. So here demonstrative pronoun will be that, and here we are going to write singular because it is 1 in number. So I think this exercise will help you to understand demonstrative pronoun, that where we use these, this, those and that, and in which form we use these demonstrative pronoun, whether it is singular or plural. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video will be helpful for you all.